parking a little too close to that sign. Oh man, almost tipped it too. What's going on, guys? So this video, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, to be honest, because there's a race night tonight and obviously I want to show off more content of that, of like rolls and stuff like that. But I also kind of felt like doing like a vlog, so I kind of like gonna combine the two for this video. It's gonna be a pretty cool night, guys. Right now I'm on the way to pump up some ethanol for later on because your boy is low. You got a CRX in front of us. I smell your ethanol, sir. Here's the thing about stick shift. You're going on this uphill here and it's just riding that clutch to the top. Bro, just my luck. I pulled up to the E station, right? And they're closed, bro. What? I gotta ride my ass all the way down, find another station. We're definitely gonna have to neutral this. All right, well, so we're kind of just stuck in traffic, so I'll just talk a little bit about like the channel, stuff like that. Basically, kind of going out of town for a little bit, so there's gonna be like a slight delay on the videos. That's what I'm trying to get to this race night tonight. Get that last little bit of footage in for you guys. And you got the Scat Pack with the yellow accents over there. What do you think? You think this guy is pretty quick? I don't know, man. Yeah, boys, we made it. First, we also got to test our fuel too. Guys, do me a huge favor. Always test your ethanol. You never know when you're getting that boo-boo 51, 60, 70%. I've seen a couple gas stations that have done it, but it's not so common, at least not in my area. But it's always good to test it out. You buy one of these little bottles, it's super easy. You fill it up to this line right here, that blue line with water. And you fill the rest up to that black line with ethanol and just give it a shake. I'm gonna leave the link to this in the description, just in case you guys are lazy to look it up yourselves. All right, and we are back. Love it. It's always nice to feel how much more responsive the car is, especially when you got like a full tank of gas and you can just drive so much better. Let's take this out of eco mode now. Love it.
Is that what you're at right now? Like officially? Yes or no?
guys, we finally made it to the end. Man, it was some good runs out there. Finally made it back to the big city. But I'm just so beat. I'm so tired driving back. It was a long drive way back from Mexico. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.